Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. These are the Basol tire pressure monitoring system. Comes with some instructions here on the top. And okay, so this is solar powered. You can just stick it right on your windshield and it has this little screen here. It tells you what your tire pressure is for each tire. These little tiny sensors, it tells you which tire to put them on. But they're quite small. There's a little battery in there, and you can also put on these little theft deterrent lock washers kind of on there. You just screw those on, put this on over the top, and then use the little wrench it gives you here to lock that on there. So people are going to need a tool to get that off. They're just not going to be able to come and unscrew it with their hands. Very handy to have. You know, you can monitor your tires. If you have a little air leak or something like that, you don't have to wait till you actually have a flat tire, because sometimes you get a slow leak in your tires and you don't realize it until your tire is like super flat. So with this, I'll be able to tell, hey, if I have a slow leak or something, maybe 3 of my tires are at 35 psi and the one's dropping down to like 28. I'll be able to go address that before it becomes too dangerous. A nice idea to have these. I'm going to be installing these. Okay, so I've opted to kind of put it up here in the corner. So the solar panel's here, and if I put it right here, I figure it's going to be out of the way, not really going to bother me, and have a nice clear view of my thing there. So I take off the 3M tape, a little backing here, just peel that off. Boom, boom. I charge this overnight with my USB thing, and what's cool about this, if you can see, it's got a little sensor. It says when it's charging by the sun on there, so that's pretty sweet. So I'm just gonna stick it up here. I think kind of right about there. It's not gonna really block anything, and just kind of line up so I can see it really good. Oh yeah, well, I kind of just cleaned off the windshield a little bit with my jacket there. Oh, it's kind of difficult to see. We've got a little tire monitor on there. It has that little sunshine and the battery indicator. So we're going to hold down let's see, it says hold down plus and minus for 3 seconds to turn on the monitor. Plus and minus. Okay. Looks like it went off. Okay, maybe that was off. Okay, so it looks like it was on already. Maybe I turned that on, maybe it turned on. There we go, try to block a little bit of that. So you can see the little guy, PSI, and it has a temperature on there too. So let's go install the little caps on there now, shall we? All right, well, this left front tire, these nuts can go on first. And these are to help people from like taking them. So what you wanna do is screw that on. And then make sure, all right, left front. I'm gonna screw this on. There we go. Okay, screw that on, and then that nut that's on the back side, we're gonna screw that up against that. So just take your little wrench, and we're just gonna go ahead and tighten that on there. That way, people will have to use probably more than just, you know, their hands if they want to take that off of there. So and we just kind of tighten that up against that. There we go. Okay, and then there's one, and we're just going to do the rest of them there. Alrighty, well, there we go. I have the monitors hooked up, and it tells the temperatures on the left-hand side. So that looks pretty accurate because the left-hand side of my truck is in the shade and the right-hand side's in the sun. So temperature's fluctuating there. And then we have, looks like 33, 33, 32, and 35. So I did take a little test before, and my left front tire was a couple PSI above the other. So it looks fairly accurate here and pretty cool. Yeah, just kind of put it out of the way here on my windshield. Gonna block the sun there, but it looks like it works pretty good, my friends. Anyways, yeah. If your car doesn't have one of these, you know, the newer ones, a lot of them have the tire pressure monitor systems on there, but this is super handy. So you can kind of keep track of where your tires are at and if you are losing air. This is going to have some alerts too. If your sensor battery is low, it's going to tell you that. And it's going to tell you if the tire is plus 25 PSI pressure alert, high pressure alert, or low pressure alert, high temperature alert, or fast leakage alert. So it should let you know. You don't have to sit there and monitor the thing all the time. It'll probably like give you a little heads up. So pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be working pretty well for me. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.